So, what was your relationship like with the original Jurassic Park films?
Well, the original Jurassic Park film, number one, was one of the seminal experiences of my cinema-going youth. You know, it was an exposure to a world of adventure and Spielberg and the impossible being brought to life. And I think my fascination with that has never ceased. So, in many ways, it was the beginning of a love affair with cinema that I now get to be a part of.
And what do you think that this film brings to the franchise that's different from what people have seen?
I think this is in many ways a return tonally to the first movie. It's very much a love letter to Spielberg. We shot on 35mm, and Gareth, our director, has referenced, I think, pretty much every film Spielberg ever has done. But also, I mean, in very, very simple terms, in all the other ones, the dinosaurs are chasing the humans, and in this one, we're chasing the dinosaurs.